If Steam is showing an HTTP error, don't worry. This usually means the built-in Steam browser can't connect properly to Steam's web servers. That can stop pages like the store, community, or your profile from loading, even though your games may still work just fine. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam loading normally again. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page inside Steam. You can do this by pressing F5 or by clicking the home icon in the Steam client if you see it. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple reload is enough to reconnect. Next, check whether Steam itself is having a server issue. Open steamstat.us in your browser and look at the status for the web API or store. If those are down, the problem is not on your PC, and the only real fix is to wait until Valve restores service. This is an important step because it saves you from changing settings that are not actually broken. If Steam status looks fine, the next step is to fully restart Steam. Don't just close the window, make sure you exit completely. Click Steam in the top left, then choose Exit. After that, reopen Steam and test the page again. A full restart can clear temporary connection problems and refresh the client. Now for the most important fix. Corrupted browser cookies or a stuck cache inside Steam are one of the most common causes of HTTP errors. To clear them, open Steam, go to Settings, then click In-Game. From there, select Delete Web Browser Data. Confirm the action, then restart Steam after it finishes. This often fixes the problem immediately because it clears the bad web data that Steam is trying to use. If the error is still there, let's repair your network connection next. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. These commands clear DNS problems and reset your network socket settings, which can help Steam reach its servers correctly. Once that's done, restart your PC before testing Steam again. Another possible cause is a proxy setting in Windows. To check this, press the Windows key +R, type initcpl.cpl, and press Enter. In the Internet Properties window, go to Connections, then click LAN Settings. Make sure Use a Proxy Server is unchecked. Also uncheck Automatically Detect Settings if it's enabled and causing issues. After applying the changes, reopen Steam and check whether the HTTP error is gone. If you still have trouble, IPv6 may be interfering with Steam's connection. Open your network connections, right-click your active internet connection, and go to Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 6, also known as TCP/IPv6, and uncheck it. Click OK to save the change. Some users find that disabling IPv6 helps Steam connect more reliably, especially when certain web pages inside Steam fail to load. After trying each of these fixes, launch Steam again and test the store or community page. In most cases, clearing the web browser data solves the issue right away, but the other steps are great backups if the problem comes from your network or Windows settings. If this video helped you fix the Steam HTTP error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with the next step, like fixing Steam download errors, community page loading issues, or other common Steam problems.